Hi people, this is Nettie again. Okay, finally, look, it's starting to grow. That's my onion. I want to see if I could get seeds from them. And I call it. And we do a lot of onions. That's my idea. Get some free seeds. Okay, so then we have here. I don't know what this is. I don't think this is my lemon tree. I think this is my I call it grapefruit tree. I don't know why I got a grapefruit. These grapefruits, they grow super big, so it's very hard, to have them. But I have it like for around 3 years. I don't know. I just don't have the heart to kill it, so I just leave it there. So also my papaya right there, is getting pretty big, and that's where I got also my onions. And here we got my tomato. Yes. I got a few things here that I want to show you. This is my tomato. I also have this dirt that is not being used. I had garlic there. I don't know where they went. They're not there. It's not that it's rotted. It just disappeared. I don't know how. But I didn't see the dirt messed up or anything like somebody ate it. So it's a mystery to me. So, but either way, I'm gonna use this dirt in the meantime. Then when I have some money, I'll just re-put it back here. So let me show you something that I have new. Yes. Yes, cilantro. Whoa, lots of them. I got pissed off because I will put 2 or 3. I know they could grow very big and but because I have one that he gave me tons of how you call it? Cilantros, and I had like a lot. But I had 2 of them. I had to separate them because they got too big in one little canister. So I separate them and I put one outside. That was a little before the hurricane, I think it was. And that one I suppose it died, because nothing is growing there. I had my how you call my peas there. The one the Puerto Rican ones that is like a tree and it grows a lot of peas. But I noticed that it fell, it flopped, and I was so depressed. I didn't even want to look over there. And I guess my husband cut it, you know, or my uncle that has been helping out a little bit to cut the things that that it needs to be cut. So I think that they cut it off. I don't see it no more. So anyway, but I have plenty of peas in as seeds. So I will be putting it back as soon as I could get my raised bed grow. How you call it? My raised bed will be how you call it? Oh, okay. My raised bed will be able to have plants there. So for now it doesn't. I have to use the balcony. As you can see, there's tons because every time I put 1 or 2, they don't grow. So I got pissed off. I said, "Look, this thing it must be messed up. Maybe I just throw it all there, and maybe 1 or 2 will grow. Well, not just 1 or 2. It has tons of it. Look at it. Right there, they have a whole bunch. The babies are still growing right there. There's another baby growing. Right. Where's my finger? Okay, right there. In other words, that they're still growing. Here, there's a few of them right there. So they're still growing. But I'm gonna do all these. I don't know. About if they could live here, and no problem, I just leave it here. Because this canister, I don't know what it is. It doesn't like plants. It just doesn't. When the next thing you know, the roots are beaten up and they're gone. But if they survive here, I'll leave it here, and let it be cilantro land right here. So another thing that I want to show you. Hold on. I want to say something. I call it. My husband found in the area down there. He was cleaning up, and somewhere down there, he was cleaning cutting the grass because this gets wild. And he found a plant of one of these cilantros, and I told him to bring it to me because that probably was the seed that flew all the way over there because that was the time, it was a little windy one time. Now it's not virtually, the trees ain't even moving. So it was very windy and it had lots of seeds. And I noticed that a lot of seeds were gone. But as you can see, let me see if I could lift this up a little. I dropped the plant. It's okay. I think the plant was dead anyways. So look at now you can see them very clearly. You see? And I took the other plant. I put it here too. Why? Because it was dying over there. And I call it. It needed space because it has flowers. It's gonna grow seeds. So I wanted to grow in there and let it spread its love there. Which plant did it fall? Oh yes, I know which one it is. It's my Royal King. I'll get it now. And the last I want to show you is, as I dry over there, you can see is one of these plants, my Royal King. One of the small ones that I just replanted. The how you call it? The pot was small and it just flew down there, but it's still in the pot. So I just pick it up again and give it some water and give it a little bit of love, and that should do good. Oh, what I also wanted to show you was my eggplant. I have 4 of them. I have one here. I have another one there, as you can see. I don't know what the camera is happening. Okay, you have that one. You have 2 down here. Wait. Right there. There's 2 of them there. The other one's kind of tied with the, how you call it, with the leaves. And you have one right there. Plus, they're still giving flowers and they're still giving, they got like the little thing like to grow another one. So I cut them down, as you can see. One, it was they got infested very badly. So now they're growing pretty good, as you can see how high they're growing. And now the infested part is starting to come off, like you can see there. It's all wrinkled up right there. And that's going to fall, or I'll take it out. But I had to clear some because it was kind of dark in here already. You know, all the sun comes mostly from that side. It wasn't coming in. It was just hitting them. So this way I cut it down, took all the bad leaves, and now these plants could feel they could feel the sun. And plus I got let me show you how big my aloe vera is doing. And here I have 3, 4 is coming out there, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got 10 here, and as they grow, I'm gonna transplant them into their own place. That I have done, I'm doing. That's my soursop. So look how big it is. You can see the trunk is big, so it's already mature. But I have to see if I could plant it outside somewhere, which that's what I'm planning to do. And let me pass it down here. Okay. You see what I mean? We got too many trees and stuff. We have to clean it up because since since Maria, it's been very hot. It just it rains a little bit and all it comes down. It starts growing like crazy. So we've been trying to control it. We had a friend who had horses. They cleaned some of the part like down there, and but it's still too crazy. And the guy who used to do this for me, he used to charge me very cheap. He moved out. He moved from Puerto Rico. He's in the States. So now I can't, I don't have anyone who wants to do this. They don't want to work. And they do, they want, mega bucks. Okay, I'm going to show you something over here. I forgot about that. Let me see where my hand is. Okay, you see where my hand is? I don't know if you could see good, but that's a plant of banana. I put that. You remember that I said that my husband broke one of the plants, and we planted it over here. There's around 7 of them growing. Let me see if you can see the bottom part. Hold on. It's very hard. Yeah, there goes. There goes. This is all the roots. This is the mother one. The one that is like reddish. That's the mother one. And all the kids is around it. So that part is not grass. That part is that they started growing like crazy. More bananas. They're all stuck together there. So what we doing? I gave them vitamins and all that, so they could have strength to grow. Then growing nice and up. And the one that I thought it was gonna die is the mother, and she's doing pretty good, as you can see right there. So that's pretty good. I have also a plantain right here, right there. I also gave it vitamins, and I have but I have to how I call it. Wait for it to be bigger so you can see it. They took the part that I told you that it needed to be taken so the plantains could grow. To see if there was any plantains. There was 2 plantains. One was laying down, and the other one was sticking up. It was small, so they was able to take it out. Here, I have. Here I have the other plants. As you can see, my papaya is growing nicely, growing big. These are some of the corianders that I free a little bit from the other place. And over there, I had a lot of them. And here I have 3 of them, 4 of them. And I have the big one over there, right there. So everything is growing pretty good. And I have I call the other plants right here. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, right there. Let me see. Right there. But it looks like it's sad. I don't know if it's going to make it. That's the one that was all bent. So it wasn't doing too good. What we do is water it. I give them some vitamins and see if it grows. If it doesn't grow, at least if it grows any other one, side shoots. Because they got, I heard that the bottom is where they got the seeds. And those seeds, they grow. That's what makes them grow so many plants at the same time. So people, this is all because I talk too much, as you could tell. So God bless you all. Until next time. That was a serious update. And I have a serious saving to do. God bless you all. Until next time. Bye-bye.